In on this destroyed board. You see how destroyed it is, right? Yeah.
Let's show them how destroyed it is. Let's see the tips of that board. Let's see all of that. Yep, okay, we see it.
Let's see.
Full send.
Alright.
Gotta send this shit. Boom! Oh!
I almost fell.
No, really?
Yeah.
We all saw it, bud. So how was that?
It was crazy. Right here.
And I got my good ass board with nothing on the bottom. And just gonna go down and do some simple stuff.
Alright, roll in on that one.
I can't roll in on shit.
I can.
Which one should we go down?
The ramp. We should go down the ramp. Yeah. Alright. Kick turn. Kick turn.
This time, we don't fuck up.
Alright, we won't fuck up.
Alright?
You gotta send it.
Hold on. They're gonna go in.
Don't be getting these guys wet.
I'm not.
How do you roll in?
Yeah, they're in the ball room. We could hop
The
in this
bikers.
bowl. We could hop in here. You wanna send it in here?
Yeah.
Just send it right here. Alright. Attempt 2. Dropping in the second bowl. As you can see, one over there, one over here.
I might redo that one.
Now he's gonna do with another shitty board.
Alright.
So let's see what happens. This is jackass. Alright, go, bro. Oh shit. Pop it, bro. Oh. Wah, wah, wah. What?
I might drop it on this one.
Alright, bro.
I'm gonna drop it on this one.
Hold on. We gotta wait for this guy. This guy's cool. This guy's been getting air all day. Like actual air. Wait, hold on. Don't not yet. This guy's gonna kill your ass. Let's video him. Oh! This is just all for content. Co-host. Yeah.
Alright. Get back to me, dude. Should I drop in like this?
Yeah. You got a little bit. Are you ready?
Alright.
3, 2, 1. He hits it. Oh! Wah, wah, wow. Oh, this guy hitting the shit.
I gotta get out of here.
Bro, you're gonna get murdered.
I know. Alright.
Alright. Let's go hit some stuff over here. It's not cut, bro. Hold on, keep rolling. Here, I'll film while I'm writing.
Alright.
Here, Is it still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Alright, bro. Down the pipe.
Rolling.
We're just rolling.
Yeah, I'm rolling, okay? 1 foot rolling.
Alright, bro. Hold on. Alright, go. Oh! That didn't go as planned. Okay.
Ollie on it.
Yeah, we have to head back. Hold up. You fell? How the hell did you fall? I'm coming. Oh, he hits it. And I believe that concludes.
Yep.